Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove the Instagram Reels watermark. Let's get started. So first, open up your Instagram app. And below your screen, choose the Reels icon. And search for the reel that you want to download. Once you've selected the reel, click the paper airplane icon and click copy link. After this, close your Instagram app and go to any web browser. As for me, I'm using Safari. And go to snapinsta.app. This website lets you download Instagram Reels or posts without watermarks for free. So just paste the copied URL and tap download. This may take a while, and close any ads that may appear. And then just scroll down and find the download video option and click that. Again, close any ads that may appear and then click download. After that, you may check your downloads folder, and from here you may see that the reel is not downloaded in their phone. As you can see, there are no Instagram Reel watermarks in the video. And you may also find this video when you go to Files in your phone. But if you're using an iOS phone, just click Files and then go to Recents, and then you'll find the video in there. And that's it. That's how you can remove Instagram Reels watermark. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!